Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Garage Door Insulation Panel Kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful upgrades you can make to your home, transforming your garage from a temperature-controlled afterthought into a comfortable extension of your living space, significantly reducing energy costs by preventing heat transfer and minimizing the need for excessive heating or cooling, ultimately enhancing your home's overall efficiency and your comfort throughout the year. Number 5. Reach Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. Introducing the Reach Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. It effectively blocks up to 95% of radiant heat, helping you save on energy costs. Our innovative design features layers of reflective polyethylene and bubble barrier technology. This ensures consistent R values for superior performance. Exceeding fire codes, it requires no maintenance. Installation is a breeze with pre-cut panels, needing no special tools or protective gear. The kit comes complete with 8 insulation panels, permanent bond adhesive tape, a garage door cleaner, and a simple instruction guide. Make your garage more energy efficient and comfortable. Install it easily and enjoy the benefits of reduced heat transfer. What we like. This kit uses reflective insulation and bubble barrier technology to block up to 95% of radiant heat. It offers consistent R values and is easy to install without special tools or protective clothing. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective solution to reduce energy costs and are concerned about ease of installation, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy lightweight heat-cold barrier for Clopay metal garage door in Florida. These panels are lightweight and do the job. The insulation was tough and could be maneuvered to do the sticky squares with no problems. Rubbing alcohol was easy to prep for sticky placement. I measured the temperatures 12 hours after final installation. I placed a sensor in the middle garage that read 66.0 F. I can walk barefoot in the garage at 1:30 a.m. I placed a hand on the door in the afternoon sun and felt heat, then placed my hand on the installed barrier. There was a noticeable temperature difference. Number 4. U.S. Energy NASATECH 2-Car Garage Door Insulation Kit. Introducing the U.S. Energy NASATECH Garage Door Insulation Kit, designed for a 2-car garage. This kit is pre-cut for easy installation on various door sizes. Our upgraded 5/16-inch foam core creates an essential air pocket, providing an R8 insulation value. This helps maintain a comfortable temperature year-round. It's lightweight and simple to install without affecting your garage door's performance. The kit includes new and improved super heavy-duty double-sided foam tape for a secure fit. By keeping heat in during the winter and out during the summer, this insulation can significantly save on your heating and cooling costs. Experience superior insulation with the thickest reflective foam core available, at 5/16-inch. Unlike other kits, ours offers maximum thermal performance. Enjoy a clean, finished appearance with our non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, and fiberglass-free insulation. It's a safe and effective upgrade for your garage. What we like. This is the thickest reflective foam core insulation on the market, providing an R8 value by creating an air pocket. It's lightweight, easy to install, and offers a very clean, finished look without toxic materials. If you want maximum insulation thickness for your 2-car garage and prioritize a neat appearance, this is the one to consider. What people say. Instantly, I noticed a significant difference with the temperature inside my garage. It stays noticeably cooler in summer, and I'm eager to see the impact it will have on keeping the warmth in during the winter months. The quality of the material is outstanding, and it's clear that this is a durable and long-lasting solution. The reflective surface is not only effective in insulating, but it also brightens up the space, creating a cozy environment overall. With 95-degree temperatures and direct sun for 7+ hours, it really keeps the temperature down inside the garage. Number 3. U.S. Energy NASATECH 8-Panel Garage Door Insulation Kit. Tired of a hot or cold garage? This insulation kit is designed to make a significant difference. It's pre-cut for easy installation on your 8-panel garage door. Boost your home's energy efficiency with this R8 rated insulation. It helps regulate garage temperature, keeping it cooler in summer and warmer in winter. This kit features 1/4-inch thick reflective insulation. It comes with new and improved super heavy-duty double-sided foam tape for a secure and lasting fit. Designed to fit common single garage door sizes including 8x7, 8x8, 9x7, and 9x8 feet. Installation is straightforward, even for DIYers. Utilizing advanced reflective technology, it blocks radiant heat effectively. Enjoy a more comfortable space and potentially lower energy bills. The pre-cut panels and included heavy-duty tape simplify the installation process. You can transform your garage door's performance in no time. What we like. Specifically pre-cut for single-car garage doors, this kit also achieves an R8 value with its foam core and improved heavy-duty double-sided tape. It's lightweight and easy to install, saving on heating and cooling costs. If you have a single-car garage and are looking for an efficient, easy-to-apply insulation solution, this is ideal. What people say. This lowered the garage temperature by around 8 to 10 degrees. Pre-cut with plenty of extra material, and twice the amount of double-sided tape you could use. The foil really helps retain heat in the garage. In 10 minutes I had to take my jacket off and just work in my short sleeve shirt. I checked and it was 72 inside the garage. Number 2. White Double Garage Door Insulation Kit. Tired of a drafty garage? Introducing our premium insulation kit, designed to keep your space comfortable year-round. Unlike other options, this kit uses high-quality reflective foam for superior insulation. It's built to last and perform. Specifically designed for double garage doors, this kit ensures a snug and complete seal. It's the ideal solution for your 18-foot by 8-foot opening. Weatherizing your garage has never been easier. This kit provides everything you need for a straightforward and effective installation. Reduce energy loss and save on heating and cooling costs. This insulation is a smart investment for any homeowner. Constructed with durable materials, this insulation will provide reliable protection against the elements for years to come. What we like. This kit features a reflective foam core, not bubble, designed for weatherization and a clean white finish. It comes with 5 panels suitable for larger double garage doors. If you have a double garage door and are looking for a simple reflective foam insulation that also helps with weatherproofing, this option is worth a look. What people say. The product is silver reflective on one side and white foamy plastic on the other side. It works better than I thought it would for how thin it is. Install was great and no issues with adhesion like previous reviewers mentioned. Number 1. NASATECH White Reflective Foam Core Garage Door Insulation Kit. Introducing the NASATECH White Reflective Foam Core Insulation Kit. It's designed to significantly improve your garage door's thermal performance and durability. Achieve an R value of 8.0 with this advanced foam core insulation. It provides excellent protection against heat and cold, keeping your garage comfortable year-round. This kit comes with heavy-duty double-sided tape for a secure and easy installation. All necessary tools and clear instructions are included to guide you through the process. Built to last, this insulation is waterproof and weatherproof, ensuring long-term performance. It's a very durable solution designed to withstand various environmental conditions. Rest assured, this product meets all US and international fire codes. It also functions as a vapor barrier and radiant barrier, offering comprehensive protection. Beyond insulation, this kit provides effective sound deadening. Enjoy a quieter garage space with this all-in-one solution. What we like. This kit provides an R8 value, acts as a sound deadening barrier, and is a radiant barrier, all in one. Made in the USA, it includes heavy-duty double-sided tape and all necessary tools for installation. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that offers insulation, sound reduction, and a radiant barrier for your 2-car garage, this is a strong contender. What people say. After installing the insulation panels, the temperature in the garage was noticeably lower. Easily 20 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit, cooler. The installation was simple, easy, and relatively quick. Make accurate measurements, clean cuts, follow the instructions and it will look very professional. I felt the difference in temperature inside my garage right away installing it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.